Hey everybody, Duder here, and as promised, we're going to do a Truly versus White Claw comparison. Alright, so with this comparison, I stripped out one flavor of each. Obviously, pineapple from Truly and natural lime from White Claw. No thanks, man. No thanks. So I tried to do the best comparison as possible. Mango. These were my two favorites on both of them. So that's an easy one. This one was a little tougher. I'm going to go raspberry against pomegranate. We'll see. And I'm going to do ruby grapefruit against passion fruit. Both have fruit in it, right? So as you notice, every other one is open. This is from a different episode when we did the Truly. These are the same three cans. So sorry, but waste not, want not, right? So we're going to start with passion fruit. Which, once again, it does remind me of a Bartles and James. I like it. I got no problems with it. I'm going to do the ruby grapefruit. Once again, Bartles and James. That's a tough one. This one's going to come down to what your preference is. Do you like passion fruit over grapefruit? I like them both. I'm not going to lie. I do. So that's a tough one. All right, off to the next. Pomegranate. Dig this stuff. It's good. Got no problems with it. No qualms. You do raspberry. Now, raspberry was one of my favorites, I believe, when I did the White Claw episode. And it still is. They're truly compatible. I mean, other than the difference in sugar, 1 gram, these things are identical. I mean, they're both good. They're both Bartles and James Seagram's quality alcohol. Now here's the tough one, mango. Now mango was my favorite on both of them. So we're going to do the Truly Mango, which is, oh, so good. So good. White Claw Mango. Gotta try it again. Try it again. Boy, this is tough. This is tough, guys. Wow. Okay. Here's my judgment. End of the day. The Truly Mango beats out the White Claw Mango, but just by a little bit. There's not a whole heck of a lot of difference. But if it comes down to it, excuse me, whoo, if it comes down to it, if I had to decide which one to drink, I'd go with the Truly, but just barely. I wouldn't complain if either one of them are here. Same with this flavor here. The raspberry and the pomegranate, I'm telling you, there's, other than the sugar content, 1 gram difference, boy, that'd be a tough one. And same with this one. Passion fruit and ruby grapefruit, man, if I were at a party, you guys are more than welcome to invite me to a party. I'm actually pretty fun. If I was at a party and there was like a huge Yeti cooler full of this stuff, if I just reached in and grabbed one and got any one of them, boy, I'd be happy, man. I'd be happier than a pig in shit. Man, I'm telling you, it's good stuff. Anyhow, I don't know. It's up to you guys. Tell me what you think. When it comes to the mango, though, I'm going to give Truly a 5 and this one a 4.9 if I had to rank them. They're that close. Anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. It is Drunken Thursday here on The Dude's Kitchen. Please remember to like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. We're growing, guys. We're growing, and it's all up It's all because of you, and thank you very much. And yes, I have been drinking, so it's my day off. So anyhow, guys, thanks again for watching. You're watching The Dude's Kitchen, and remember, the dude abides with hard seltzers.